So we finally arrived at our destination. This place is called Desert View Picnic Area, Cleveland National Forest, in Mountain Laguna, or Laguna Mountain. Look at this, just 1 hour away from San Diego. You get to see snow. I wasn't sure if we're gonna see snow today because it rained in San Diego about 5 days ago. So that means snow in the mountains. Oh, we got so much snow here. I love sound of walking on snow. I don't know if you can hear it well. But don't you love the sound that makes when you walk in the snow?
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, let's go to the actual area where we can sled. You want to try again? Oh yeah, that's strong. Yeah. Okay, let's go over there. Man, it's so beautiful here. Oh. Be careful, it's slippery here. This is all ice. Jet, be careful whenever you see icy road or icy ground. Be careful, it's really slippery. Ooh. This place even have a restroom. That's really good. Oh my gosh, oh, slippery here. Yeah, careful. Oh, careful, careful. Wow, so nice. I love these pine trees. Oh, I can still smell the pine. It's like a Christmas. This is a perfect place for sledding. They're making a little snow castle over there. Whoa, they go fast. You gotta be careful. It's so fast here. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Wow. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Oh, look at this. Look at this snowman. Jet, did you see the snowman?
Who made it?
Your family.
I need you to listen, and we're gonna go home, okay? I need you to be safe. Yeah, Millie. This way.
Wow, this place is so nice. Oh my gosh. Whoa, look at the snowball. Man, Jet, we're only 1 hour away from the San Diego. It's crazy, huh? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey, why you come? Careful, careful. Wrong way, Jet. Good try, good try. You gotta try to go straight while you're spinning around.
I can't control it.
Oh. And snow right now is so powdery, huh? Yeah. So if I here, there's some snow. Let me show you. You can just grab it. Yeah, it's so powdery.
Oh my
Still
god.
good. Yeah. Oh. Hey, oh, I got snow in my
Yeah, me
my
too.
glove.
I got You shake it out.
There you go. A lot better. Okay, stop, stop. Ooh, fresh snow.
Squirrel hides some nuts in the water.
Oh yeah. Squirrel was trying to hide their food in there, huh?
Yeah.
But looks like somebody found out. Start eating it.
Maybe the squirrels started eating it.
So there's a overlook over there. Do you see that? Good. Let's go check out that place over there.
Same.
Okay.
Not for you. And you know.
Let's go. Let's go up here.
I see a lot of people building snowmans.
You wanna build a snowman? We can.
He's so smart.
Oh, let's wait. Let's wait. Oh, this is dangerous. Yeah.
Really crunchy.
Oh yeah, extra crunchy here, huh? Oh, dude, look at this. Look at this overlook right here. So from snow area, to this overlook. Wow, look at that. And that one is, and there's a picnic table there too. Nice. Really nice.
This is a picnic area, so
Yeah.
we can eat there.
Okay, let's go back to where we were. Oh, we just found our own private sled course right here. Well, my wife is running. She's in better shape than I am. Oh, she comes down. She's coming. Okay. Careful, careful. You gotta hold on to the sled. 지금 맞는 게 나아 지금?
지금 점점
키가 크긴 크네.
배가 많이 나왔는데 배가 자꾸 들어가. 라면 먹었는데 왜 자꾸 들어가?
일을 많이 해가지고. Oh, it looks so gross. Okay. That's supposed to be me over there.
Three, two, one, go!
Yeah, that's good. Ah, yeah, softer snow. Oh, yeah. 잠깐만. So I got the new sandwich from Subway. I think it was called the Monster. It has like roast beef and like a cheese, melted cheese. It was toasted, but it's kind of a little bit colder now. But let's see how it tastes. I like the roast beef.
Mama, Coca-Cola flavor.
Let me try the cold cut trio. Another sandwich from Subway. That is good. What you got there?
I think it's an egg.
Egg roll from Panda Express.
Yeah.
Okay. Take a bite.
Maybe a vegan roll. I forgot.
Looks like it's chicken or something. It's pretty good.
I think a spring roll.
A spring roll. How was Panda Express? Always clean up after yourself.